Guys, look at all my chickens. We got Big Mama right here. We got Lizzo right there. Half of these aren't named yet. Alright, no, that's Lizzo. Okay. This one just lets you sit down. It's one of these. Yeah, she is this one. It's super nice. That's Jim Davis over there, and that's Cannoli right through there. Goldie and Gracie, or Goldie and Gracie. There are white turkeys. Then you got Hazel, the green-headed duck. And you got all these white ducks. The Hazel is a male. You got one white duck and 2 female ducks. And one male white duck and 2 female white ducks. And then you got all the chickens in here. Then we got the 2 pigs, Peaches and Hawk. Then you got the 2 cows, George and Alex.